Amazon summer must-have. First is this tanning chair that includes 2 arm slots and face cushion to comfortably multitask going on your phone, drinking, or even napping. It has a cup plus umbrella holder and instantly converts into a lounging chair. Next is this outdoor side table that has a hidden cooler inside and keeps ice solid for 24 hours. I love that it's weather resistant and is great for outdoor entertaining. Must-have Amazon Home Find. This AI robot can move anywhere in your home to easily monitor your pet when you're not there. It has many smart features like a treat dispenser, two-way audio, and an HD camera that's also useful for home security. Amazon Pet Day 2024. First is this brush set that has a built-in vacuum to suction away dirt and hair while grooming your pet. This container that has scrubbing bristles inside to easily clean your pet's muddy paws. And this best-selling water bowl that is 100% spill-proof.
Amazon Work From Home Office Gadget. This portable laptop screen extender turns your monitor into a triple screen in several seconds. Drag and drop your projects onto the extended monitors with the anti-glare and blue light technology. This laptop screen extender is lightweight and foldable, making it perfect for on-the-go productivity. Amazon Travel Gadget. This portable lockbox can safely secure your valuables if you need to get up from your seat to go in the water or do activities. You can also secure beach bags and backpacks with a strong cable. Conveniently open the top with your 4-digit combination while the lockbox stays secured to the chair.
Amazon summer must-haves. You can cook the most mouth-watering hot dogs with this portable roller. It lays across your grill, cooks them perfectly even, no half-burned hot dogs or one slipping through the grates. The handle even detaches and doubles as a hot dog grabber.
Outdoor summer favorite. This outdoor bench is made from vinyl, so it's super weatherproof, and with nearly zero effort, you can turn it into a table. It's got a built-in cup holder, and it's easy enough to convert for even my youngest kids. Once you're done eating, simply push the back and you've got a bench again. I hope you guys enjoy this summer as well.
Amazon renter-friendly hacks. No dishwasher, this is just as good. It's a sleek, high-quality mini version that sits right on your countertop. No complicated hookup, just plug right in. Load your dishes into the pull-out drawer and add water into the 5-liter tank. It has settings including quick wash, steam, sanitize, and fruit cleaning. Plus a hose that suctions to your sink and empties the waste right down the drain, no mess.
This is a toy that has 2 wheels that spin and a string that you feed through them. And then you just lock on this cap. When you turn it on, the rope will spin at 40 miles per hour, allowing it to defy gravity and do tricks like this. There's also a built-in black light so the string glows in the dark. It's a super cool toy to have, and honestly, it feels like you're on the moon when you're using it.
This is a back stretcher that when used properly and consistently will help you realize that your back is not flexible and you need to stretch more. Even level 1 was hurting me, but I see level 2 and 3 as a challenge now. This is a neck stretcher that is less insulting, and when I lay down on it, I feel like it's realigning my neck and making me feel real nice. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.
Amazon Home Finds we can't live without. If you love things that make you feel good when you're naked, this luxury shower head is for you. As someone who's taken over 200 showers, believe me when I say this high-pressure shower head will turn every night into a spa night. It gives you complete control over the water pressure and can even connect to your phone so you can automatically set your shower to the perfect temperature. It's super easy to install, it looks great in any bathroom, and
Amazon Favorites. This is a set of 2 multifunctional microphones which you can clip onto your top or attach to any metal surface as well as anywhere on your clothes using its back magnet. It can be used with phones, iPads, and laptops. You can also use the mic as a remote control to start and stop recordings as well as take a photo. It has built-in noise cancellation and comes with a windscreen to help reduce wind noise even more. Lastly, you can insert a micro SD card to use the mic as a standalone without any device. Amazon home favorite. This inflatable sofa comes with 3 cushions, making it the perfect temporary sofa for your home or even a permanent sofa for your backyard. And when deflated, it folds up into a very compact size.